तो हे गाइस व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप आप सब बढ़िया रहेंगे। तो इट्स अ ब्राइट मॉर्निंग गाइस, और मैं निकल पड़ा हूँ टुवर्ड्स डिजिटल यूथ समिट जो कि दोनापावला में होने वाला है। सो लेट्स गो गाइस।
Mentoring and nurturing digital, educational and virtual initiatives. Under this initiative, we would mentor and nurture all of academic faculty members to create not only notes but online full-fledged programs.
Project STUNT is one of the several initiatives designed and developed at DHE to make learning accessible to everyone.
The signing of MOU between the Director of the Higher Education along with the TCS ACM in rural India. This is a great opportunity for the students from youth from the state of Goa.
So Mr. Pramod Savan, can we have clap, clap? Louder, Goa, come on! Shri S.S. Gill, Secretary Education, Dr. Nian Marcon from Goa State Higher Education, Nishan Chandra, and Siddharth Maheshwari, the founder of Newton School, and of course, one of the amazing dynamic personality, Mr. Punish Kumar, the GM of Google. Can we have a huge round of applause? Clap, 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 everybody, come on!
Largest online technical university that is enabling thousands of people just like you to get into amazing career as a software developer.
Digital Goa Youth Summit या कार्यक्रमाक आज 28 तारीख हांव कळपाक जाय म्हणून तुमकां सांगता। हांव एक्झॅक्टली 1 वर्सा पयलीं ह्याच स्टेजीचेर ह्याच वेळार हांवें दुसरे फावटी गोंय राज्याचो मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून शपथ घेतली। पण म्हाका चिंता आसा म्हणजे समेस्त गोंयांतल्या युवकांची, जो एक तर म्हणजे म्हाजें सदांच म्हणणें आसा एड्युकेशन फिल्डांत आसपाक जाय।
Talis with your CTs. So I'm just going to be having a white check before we start and kickstart this cultural activities and of course the infotainment segment. Sitting towards my right out there, the youth of Goa, on the count of 3, 2, 1, give it up! Okay. So I think the white check is little average over there. Okay, sitting towards my right, okay, the Goa. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's everybody stand, okay? Wherever you are, let's all of you stand, okay? Let's do something great, amazing. Like an amazing students out there. All right. Are you guys ready to be one of the entrepreneurs? Are you guys ready to make your family proud of yourself? Yes. All right, so let's do this, okay? Everybody, let's clap the clapping. Hands up in the air. Ready to go. Hands up in the air, ready to go. Everybody right there. Come on, let's do this. Hands up. The icebreaker, number 4. We're going to be cutting all the negativity of our life. Rahul, can we have that one, please? Cultural folk on the stage right here. dance करना मांगता है. Right, the youth is meant for energy, of course. Dancing and all is really important. But before that, something very, very important that's going to be happening at the end of this event, yani ki this evening, is the announcement of the boot camp. All right, आपकी तालियां हो जाए because he's none other than Mr. Panish Kumar on the stage. Let's have you here, sir.
Now I lead the general management role for Google search in India. As long as you're willing to learn, as long as you're willing to work hard.
So I also use Alexa because I launched it. So there's a competition in my house for the voice assistants. But I think in general, Google is a default for search.
There are thousands of customers every day here. I want you to introduce you to the guy today who is running 10,000 plus such big bazaars online. Founder of Zotto, Kevin Lever here.
It's the full English of cricket, which is an uncertainty. So I sometimes say that I'm a failed cricketer because I believe that I had a potential and I could not capitalize on that. So
Everybody.
You should be bowling from there. Okay.
Everybody, who's going to be catching this one?
How many of you after college, spend time on chai sutta samosa?
Do you get such queries? हाय मेरे बेटे को बताते कौन से कॉलेज में जाना है? Something like that?
Yes, of course. That's a regular thing. कभी भी मैं घर जाता हूँ तो पापा के दो दोस्त अपने बच्चों को लेके आ जाते हैं कि बताओ 10th के बाद कौन सी स्ट्रीम लेनी चाहिए. So that's a regular thing.
Over to you, Mr. Pastor.
The biggest gap is data analytics for social media. Of course, we're also trying to make something called Zilly. Make sure that you kind of join and marry the influencer marketing industry. Thank you.
लंदन को ठुमकाना है. Yes, of course, we're going to be doing it. Well, let's do it on the stage. What say? No? Chalo, right here. Music! Come on. Let's do it.
I'm actually an engineer by qualification. How many engineers in the house? Okay, not many. Okay. So I'm an engineer by qualification. And from engineering, how did I go into an RJing and then content creation? Actually started from Goa. So guys, I have to give it to Goa for changing my career. So thank you, Goa. From a content creation point of view and for the people who want to be creators, I think just start. Don't think कि ये क्या कर रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है, ऐसा कंटेंट तो पहले भी हुआ है and things like that. Just start making content and you would just realize that there's so much talent inside you that will just suddenly come out while you are making videos or while you're making content. It will just, you would be amazed at your own self that oh my god, I'm so talented. So just start, just be at it and just enjoy the process and don't think कि लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या comments आ रहे हैं, क्या trolls आ रहे हैं. Just be at it.
He is a software engineer with Google. Oh my God, Hare Krishna. I mean, that's amazing. So tell us about your association with Newton School.
First of all, hi everyone. To all the lovely people sitting here. I'm like, it's like a flashback to me. I was also in my final year and some kind of event was happening and I remembered the energy and the excitement I had.
Vanakkam, and importantly in Konkani, Yorkar. Welcome guys on the Konkani. Cheers, come on. Can I hear some voice on the Konkani? Come on. Alright, so the Digital Goa Youth Summit to create techies out of all of you.